Hi, my name's Jared, and I'll be giving voice to this course by Carlotta. In this course, we're going to work on the different parts of how to create an infographic, basing ourselves on the styles, the text treatment, and the compositions we can make to give our design the perfect finish. We're going to be taking different references, and from there, we're going to create our final infographic depending on the theme we're going to choose. In my case, I'm going to work with the theme of the environment. This is the reason I'm trying to get the most information I can to do this task in the best way. We have to keep in mind that infographics are images that are giving a lot of information to the reader. So, whatever we have to say has to have three fundamental concepts: veracity, ease, and strength. Let's go on to the next lesson. Thanks for listening and following the course. See you guys.